Let's have a candid chat about something I'm seeing all the time. People clinging to an ultra-low mortgage rate, like 3 or 4%, and feeling stuck in a home that no longer suits them. I get it, those rates were incredible. But if life has changed around you, is that low rate actually holding you back? Here's what I'm hearing from clients. We love our rate, but the commute is killing us. Or we've totally outgrown the space, but we're scared to lose that sweet monthly payment. The truth is, your time and sanity might be worth more than your current interest rate. If your daily life is overshadowed by a long drive or cramped living, you're paying a different kind of price. We got super lucky during COVID with historically low rates, but waiting for those 3% days to return isn't a practical plan. Meanwhile, your kids might need more space, or you might want a shorter commute. In the bigger picture, life keeps moving forward. Rates shouldn't freeze you in place. Some people think, let's just add on or renovate instead of moving. But if you've tried to book a contractor lately, you know it's not easy or cheap. With material costs soaring and labor in high demand, you could sink tens of thousands into a project that might still leave you with a layout you don't love, months on end of construction, and unexpected costs along the way. Sometimes, the simpler solution is finding a new place that already meets your needs. Why force a square peg into a round hole if you can get the round peg for a place that truly fits your needs? So what if your rate goes from, say, 3.5% to 6%? Yeah, you'll pay more in interest, most of which is tax deductible. And by moving to a neighborhood with higher home values or stronger appreciation, you might build equity faster anyway. Plus, the lifestyle upgrades are priceless. Maybe you cut your commute in half, live near better amenities, or have that extra bedroom for family to visit. At the Whipple Group, we see this every day. Clients who finally make their move only to say, why didn't we do this sooner? That's because the true cost of staying can outweigh the difference in monthly payments. In today's real estate market, where homes are staying on the market longer and sales are slower, buyers have more leverage than ever before. This creates an opportunity to request concessions such as interest rate buy-downs from the seller instead of a price reduction. This approach could help you secure a more favorable rate while finding a better home that suits your lifestyle and enhances your quality of life. If you're feeling trapped by a low mortgage rate, I'm here to remind you, your life is bigger than a percentage. Your home should serve your needs, not the other way around. Let's explore your options. Maybe it's finding a home with the perfect floor plan. Maybe it's cutting your commute or downsizing to free up your finances. I'm Beatrix Whipple, and the Whipple Group is dedicated to helping you find the place that truly suits your life today and tomorrow. Ready to break free from that old rate? Let's chat. Your dream home might be waiting.